Hello, my name is Hannah Frost, and in this brief video screencast, I will be providing an overview of what's involved in depositing student work to the Stanford Digital Repository. To get started, review any instructions that may have been provided by your department or course instructor. It's especially helpful to gather together the files that you will upload and descriptive information about your work that you will enter into the deposit form. And finally, if you watch this video, it provides all of the basic information that you'll need to complete your deposit. It should only take about 10 minutes, maybe less, to complete your deposit if you do these things. We'll begin by directing our browser to the URL sdr.stanford.edu. And after you click the Sign In via WebAuth link in the upper right corner, your homepage should look something like this. Under Your Collections in the main area of the page, there will be a link to a collection into which you've been invited to deposit. Go ahead and click the name of that collection, and it'll open up the collection page. On the right-hand side of the collection page, there's a drop-down menu for adding a new item. If we click that and select thesis or another appropriate student work, go ahead and select that. The application will open up a page onto which you can describe your work and add the file. And this is what the new blank page looks like. And this is what a completed page looks like. I've entered a title for my item, for my work, in the title field, and an email address for interested readers who may want to contact me. I've entered my name as an author, and the names of advisors that helped me with my work, being sure to select primary advisor for my main advisor from this menu on the right. For some students, it may be appropriate to enter the name of the department for which you're submitting your honors theses, for example. Stanford University, Department of Biology in this case, and selecting degree granting institution from this menu on the right. Enter a date. You can drag and drop a file onto this area and add a label for your file. Copy and paste in your abstract. Be sure to review what you've pasted in, because sometimes some strange formatting or characters can get copied in from your source document. In the keywords field, it's useful to enter terms or phrases that describe the content of your work. And if you're affiliated with any special program, an interdisciplinary program at Stanford or a particular research institute or center, you can enter that name here as well. When all of the information above has been filled in and you want to include a preferred citation for your work, you can click on this link, Use Default Citation, and it will automatically populate it with the information you added above. Please review what gets entered into here and make any corrections or formatting changes that you feel are appropriate. Finally, towards the bottom of the page, you'll want to review the release and visibility settings and making any selections as appropriate, and you'll need to check this box indicating that you've reviewed the settings. Under Terms of Deposit, please select this link, Terms of Deposit, review those terms, and then click the checkbox indicating that you have done that. And under Terms of Use and Licenses, review the information there and make any selections as appropriate. Once you've completed all of those required steps and optional steps, you can click Save on the right-hand side here. And everything you've entered has been saved. And here on the right-hand side, you'll see that you have met all the requirements. And under Actions, you will see one of two buttons. For many students, the button Submit for Approval appears, in which case when you click that, someone in your department will be notified that you have submitted, and they will come in and review the information that you provided and make sure that it's accurate and complete. Then other students will just have the option to submit directly. In that case, the button says Publish. And after I've submitted my work and it's been approved and processed and submitted to the repository, I can return to this page and see that it is finally published. In the center area at the very top, there's a link here, online at. If I click this link, it takes me to the persistent URL, the PURL, where my work is made available. All of the information that I entered and the files that I uploaded are available at this page and accessible to other students, faculty, researchers, etc. I can confidently share this link with other people and not worry that the information won't have ongoing access and that the files are always available. So this ends this screencast of a student deposit to the Stanford Digital Repository.